Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the Capstone project of Microsoft Excel, that is Excel module 1 to 4, SAM Critical Thinking Capstone Project C. The title of this project is Vitality Bank and Formatting Formulas and Charts. Let's get started with it. If you want me to do this project for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytics or finance related projects, just text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me, and since it's a 24/7 available service, so you can text me anytime, and these are very economical services in terms of pricing, so don't hesitate, just text. I'm just text away. Okay, so let's get started with the first step, that is Ariana Wheeler is an operations specialist at Vitality Bank in Dallas, Texas. Oriana has created an Excel workbook to summarize budget information for each department in the bank. She asks you to add the formatting formulas in chart. Okay. Start by changing the theme of the workbook to Office to match the other workbook. Okay, to change the theme of the workbook, you can select any of the sheets below, and then you have to go to the page layout section. And here you will change the theme to Office like this. So now our theme has been changed across all the sheets, you can see. Okay, that step has been completed. Moving to step number 2. On the department overview worksheet, merge and center the worksheet subtitle to match the worksheet title. Since we are in the department overview worksheet, and this is the subtitle. This is the title and this is the subtitle. Now it says merge and center the worksheet subtitle to match the worksheet title. So since it's the subsheet, and you can see the title of this is already merge and center from cell B2 to L2. So again we will select the same B2. The title was from B2 to L2 and the subtitle is from B3 to L3. Now we have selected the range. Now we'll go to the Home tab, and here in the alignment group you will find this button. You can click Merge and Center. Change the font size of subtitle text to 14 points. Since we have already selected the subtitle, we need to increase the font size. So first of all select the subtitle and then you can increase the size from here. Increase and decrease right from these two buttons. And change the height of row 3 to the same height of row containing the worksheet title. So we have to this row has to be of the same height as this title. So because though they don't have given the height, so first of all we will check what is the height of the title row. For this we will select the title row, right click there and check the row height. Now you see the row height is 30. Okay, so we have to change this accordingly. Again we have to select row 3, right click there, go to row height. Now you can see the row height is 16.5. We have to change it to 30. So now the row 3 has the same height as the row 2. I hope you got it. Anyhow, if you're finding it difficult, just text me and I will do the assignment for you and send it to you back, and then you can just submit it. Okay, moving to step number 3, that is change the width of column N so its content automatically fit within the column. This is column N and we have to automatically fit the content. For this purpose we will first select the column and then point your mouse to the right edge of the column and just double click it. Now it has been auto fitted and all the content has been adjusting according to the length of those texts. Moving to step number 4. enter a formula using today function to display the today date in the appropriate cell. And this is the today date, and here we have to write the today date. For this we need to put the function that is which will automatically give us the current date. For this, first of all, select the cell, put an equal sign and type today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, press enter. It will give you the the system date of your PC. Okay, moving to step number 5. In the range B6 to G6, apply the same style, cell style and bold formatting and center the column heading. B6 to G6. First of all, we have to navigate which is this. This is B6 and this is G6. So I have selected it first. Now apply the same cell style and bold formatting as in the other column heading. Okay. So we have to check what cell style these column have, and we have to apply those to this one. So first of all, I will just select one cell and I will go to the cell style, and here we have to navigate. Now you can see it has a cell style of accent 6, 40%. You can see it has been selected right there, accent 6 and 40%. That's it. So again we have to select this range B6 to G6, cell styles, accent 6, 40%. Now you can see it has the same cell style as this one. Now, and bold formatting in the other column, and now we have to bold it also, because that was only the cell style and now it is bold also. So we are done with the step number 5 as well. Moving to step number 6. Ariana wants you to add the missing data in the employee table. Enter the values shown in table 1 into the corresponding appropriate cells. Okay, now I would like to copy this and we have to insert it in D7 probably. Copy. Right there. Sorry. It has to be there in, that is column D and C row 6. Column D is this one and this is row 6. We have to paste it right there. Now we are done with the step number 6. Moving to step number 7, that is copy the list of department names and paste them in the column C where appropriate, so that only the name appears. The list of department names. These are the department names you can see. So I will just copy those names. Now because it says only name appears, so I will paste only the values. That's it. They haven't mentioned anything yet, but I guess this one should also be copied and pasted as values. Okay, because in the later stage we also they might say that okay, it'll just type it. Okay, moving to step number 9, that is Ariana also wants you to complete the calculation and format the summary table. Provide the turnover percentage information for the back office department by entering the formula that divides the turnover amount by the employee. Okay, so we have to fill this and we have to divide this by total employee. Okay, for this put an equal sign, I7 divided by G7. Now you see it has a percentage. Now fill the rest of the turnover column to display the turnover percentage with other departments. So now I will just fill that up to other departments. Since this is the last department, we do not have to add this one. So we are done with step number 8. Moving to step number 9, that is format the turnover percentage values as a percentage with no decimal places. So I have to select all of those. I have to show them as a percentage values. Now you see it has it don't have the decimal places, it's already 0. Now it says, and then average the turnover percentage in the appropriate cell to match the other values in the column. Okay, so here we have to average those values. Average, that's it. So it's 17%. Okay, so we are done with step number 9. Moving to step number 10, that is Ariana wants to highlight the significant values in the summary table. Use a conditional formatting rule with default formatting to highlight the department with turnover rate greater than 20%. Okay, so we have to highlight those with the having greater than 20% turnout. So first of all, we need to select those. Go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than, and now we have to specify 20% rather than 17, which was the default. Click OK. Now you can see 29, 21, 22, which are over 20% have been highlighted. I think that's it for this video. If you want me to do the next part of this Capstone project, just text me on the WhatsApp. I will do the next part for you. And if you want me to do this assignment or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytics, or finance related projects, just text me over the WhatsApp, or you can also email me. I will get in touch with you within the next few hours, and we can done this assignment within the next few hours. Okay, so you are just a text away. So do subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.